And from the very day she buys it, say when she go back to the doctor, the doctor recommend her, say, ask her, say, what you use?
Hey, how you do? Welcome back to my channel. You see that clip you saw a while ago? That's from the mystery fruit video with Ms Junie and Mr. Mack. Well, guess what? They have invited me back. I have no idea what to expect. I'm just going with a totally open mind, and I'm gonna take you along with me. I want to give a special shout out though to my ardent subscribers. You know yourselves. You continue to share, like, comment on my videos. I want to know I appreciate it. If you are new here though, I say welcome. In fact, I invite you to join us. We do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these, the real Jamaica, and I would love for you to be a part of it. So hit that subscribe button, man, and tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's check them out. Ms Junie, Mr. Mack, I'm coming. Alright, I can park here. Alright, good. That's Van. Hey Van. Van is with me. Mr. Mack again. How you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Good man, good to be back. Miss Junie.
Yes, sir.
I should call her Mrs. Mack. I don't know why I call her Miss Junie. Good to be back. Alright, so it's good to be here too. You have some good you have some OTT up here, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a good time, man. A good time to come back then. I last of it or the first? Okay.
Climb and see if you could get there in a couple of now.
Okay.
Still have a couple in the bush for the trees still, you know, but
Okay.
some of them, you know, when they're real ripe, you know, and they get black, you know, it kind of get the worm, you know. So
Oh, yes.
so,
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
And the worm, and the...
Yes,
But
yeah.
tell me something.
Yeah.
You ever see this fruit yet?
Which one is that now? No, never. Oh, hold on. Let me. You know that thing?
Well, this name Rose Apple.
Rose apple.
Rose Apple.
Hold on now. Take some.
Yes.
Hold on now. You know, funny enough, somebody. Cassie, if you're watching, I need you to say something on that because I believe it's Cassie who actually asked me to check out the rose apple.
This is a rose apple.
Hold it a little lower for me. Yeah.
It's a rose apple.
So tell me about.
You can't eat it right away like how we stay, you know, but you know, the bird very love it, you know.
Oh.
So this morning I go on the tree, you know, I see these two and me.
Are you pick them?
Yeah, you say you was coming here.
Yes,
so
yes.
So like these two, you know, so well then,
Yeah.
you come, I go and show you it.
Yes, man.
This is the name of a rose apple.
Oh man, I appreciate.
You see when me was a kid,
Yeah.
you go, same like how you eat the apple here, and
Yeah.
so you go and pick it off of the tree and just eat it, same like
Same like that.
You
Some
just
big.
watch it. Some big, you have them in big size, you know.
round.
Big
Eh?
and round.
Oh, so this is like a smaller one.
Yes, this is just a small one.
No man, so we have to go check it out. We have to go show me, bring me to the tree, and then we have to go check out the health benefits of rose apple, guys, because somebody had reached out to me say I need to do something on the rose apple.
Yeah, this is a rose.
So you actually have the tree.
Yes, me actually, yeah.
So you sell it too? You sell it as
Oh,
well?
well, we don't sell it enough, you know. Those things in those days when we didn't know it, I think they kind of they come now and see those things in a this time now.
Yes.
They come to my knowledge now that these things now is a thing what could be
Yes. Healthy.
Yes.
No man, so we guys we're gonna explore that. So we're gonna check out the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we're gonna check out the tree. Is it around the farm?
Yes.
Same place at the farm?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do, Mr. Mack, is you invite me back up here, man. I hope you have some good food for give me to you, Miss Junie. I don't know what you say. We're gonna do the farm. We're gonna Let's check out the farm, you say, right?
Yes.
Check out and see what's on the farm.
Yes.
Alright.
You know, the dry, you know, still.
Yes.
Look around here, so come here around here, some sure, so put on this too.
I appreciate that, man. People have been asking me about the rose apple, but I don't think I remember. Oh, hold on.
This is the support here.
Oh, yes.
Then,
Alright, so you get some supported plant. Some of the
yeah.
supported plant.
Yeah, it's then this.
Whoa, so
Those is nutmeg.
Wait, nutmeg.
This is nutmeg.
Oh, nutmeg.
Yeah, this is the support.
Okay, nutmeg.
I support it.
Oh, supported it.
Supported this.
Okay.
Supported this.
Okay.
Supported this.
Okay.
This is this
Yeah.
too. This is the nutmeg. See them?
Yeah.
Different.
Nutmeg. Oh, so
Yeah.
tell me, Mr. Mack, tell me what was the feedback like on the supportive video?
Well, you know.
And the video that we did here.
Yes, me get lots of feedback, you know. Up to this morning, a man called me from England. They tell me, say, if you set somebody plant for it.
Same way?
Same way.
How much call
This
you believe you got?
Well, you can't tell you for some time. We can't tell you about the call. Me get all the night. All the night, me get it.
So what them ask you? What them ask you about? What them ask you for?
The black supportive.
No, what the question them ask you? They want to buy it. They want to learn more about it.
Yes, they want to learn more about it and they want to know what complaint it's good for and how we can use and
Yes.
the way we can use. So me show them the same way and get it to them for me send it all in a Portmore and
All in America.
You send the America
Canada.
Canada, yeah. me send
You
it.
send the America to
Canada.
Oh God, it's a blessing.
Yeah.
It's a blessing.
I do one of my friend in a week.
Yeah.
When I visit down there, one of my friend Canada and call when I film comes out here and said to come check me out.
Oh,
You're a blessing, man.
Yeah,
You're a
very
blessing.
blessing.
we give God the glory
Yeah.
every time. So that work out, man, and,
Yes, it
and that was
worked out.
totally spontaneous. We never know that. We just
Yeah,
did.
this now a tangerine. Me kind of do really good thing, you know.
Yeah.
This now a tangerine. Cherry. That
Cherry.
cherry. Yeah, that the
Okay,
same,
okay.
the same cherry will be there.
Nice, the cherry. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
All right. So Mr. Mack guys is doing his own little thing. So these supportive plant, the people you
Yes,
Yes. So to this man, me get a call.
one more. So you still get the call?
Yeah.
So me
get
go
a
get
call.
them now in a
One man from
Eastern, no, if you come from foreign, no, if you come take
From
them. All a
England.
lady,
Then come in now.
all a lady in a flagger man.
Yeah.
In a St. Elizabeth, in coming out March, so if you set a couple of days.
Oh
so
man, whoa.
That's why I made just
Whoa. You know that video I was checking had over 140,000 views. When I checked that video, there's a lot of people watch it, you know.
Yes. Up to this
Up
man,
to
me tell you,
this
say me get a call.
morning, get a
right.
call.
Whoa, man. It is a blessing, man.
Yeah.
It is a blessing. I'm so happy and so proud of you guys, man. All right. Wow, okay, nice. All right, the backyard garden.
Yeah,
Come on, it's a big thing, man. This is Galore, guys.
Yes.
Let me look healthy, Mr. Mack. I'm big, man. Look like them, eh? And this is just like a backyard thing. And the good thing about Galore too is that you when you cut it, you still leave the thing
The springing, you know,
and it grow back.
like all this now, you cut it right here, you cut it here and leave this out, you know, and
It come back up again.
come back up.
But these look like them ready, man.
Yes, then they go cut this easy.
Oh, nice. And you sell it to the market here.
Yes.
So like how many bungles you get from this, Mr. Mack? Like how much?
Some John got around 15.
15 easily.
Yeah.
It's a blessing. It's a blessing. And it's still left ready again.
Yes, it was still ready again.
And you see, I have some more stuff here, man.
Yes, that plant,
Show me.
that is lettuce.
All right.
These one here, so now is lettuce, you know.
All right. This is lettuce. Oh, hold on, man. You pass something important here, man.
Mint.
This is a mint tree. It's a mint. Original Jamaican mint. Nice. Sideways. Okay, and this is lettuce. Nice. A nice little patch here.
Yes.
A chocho. Yeah, chocho in there. Yeah. You go on. They're doing well, man. Doing well. And this is just a backyard. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
But you know, me take good time.
Take your time and do it. As a chocho on the tree too.
Yes.
Couple chocho. Wow. And what, this is what?
Tobacco.
Tobacco?
Tobacco.
Oh, remember this? You remember this, guys? Let me know. Drop a comment. This is tobacco. I remember the tobacco leaf. Your tobacco leaf, my grandparents used to grow it and then dry it and use it and roll it and smoke it. Alright. Tobacco. Nice. I like some good soil, man.
Yeah.
Fertile soil. You know, old fark and cocoa and badu. Badu that, right?
Yes, that one is bad.
Badu, yeah. Fever grass. I'm gonna check with me. Smack here. Oh yes, fever grass. Fever grass. Yes.
I'm just sketching a rosemary plant.
Oh, cool. It's a nice tea, you know, rosemary, guys. Nice tea. A little potent health benefit as well, and more callaloo.
Yes, sir.
Cool. All right, so that's nice. So so this is just a backyard. This is not a real farm.
No, not a real farm.
I have more. We're looking forward to more. Guys. All right, good.
That's what see come on, you know, you see the young people.
All right.
Already ready again, you know, they go get blossom.
Ready again?
Yeah, to get beer.
Why?
Get beer, you know.
That's the tree.
Yes, I
That's the
do,
tree,
yeah.
guys. The tree that became so famous as a poetry tree. That's it. They said blossoming again.
Yeah, it's starting.
All right. You have the bananas and so on as usual. But we're going to check out the farm, man, and see what's on the farm. So Miss Mac have some coconut here. We're going to have some coconut to start the journey. Fresh jelly, Miss Mac giving Ven. Coconut. Fresh. look sweet too. I like it sweet, you know. I don't know them say if it's fresh, but I like it fresh. Go ahead, man. Enjoy your coconut. Jelly time. All right.
Sweet?
Yeah, man. The most sweet, man.
It's sweet.
Okay, good. This is from your tree, Mr. Mac?
Say tree, dear.
Oh,
That's how I
the
love
tree
it.
load.
Whoa.
One bunch this come on.
what? Nice.
One
Yeah, man, the load.
Look at this one.
You have fertile ground, yeah, man. Fertile dirt. Nice.
Just stick it away.
Wow, blessing. Ms. Junie, who teach you to cut coconut?
Make them go market to Mr. Dear.
Eh?
Them go market and sell them.
Okay, that's nice. Nice. All right.
See
You know,
here?
all the road from here, girl, and you know.
All right, guys. So this is my refreshment for the road. Thanks, Miss Junie. Greetings and cheers.
Yes.
Ah. God bless it. Sure, some. Not so soft for them. What are you talking about, man?
You're not so soft.
Yeah, man. Know the thing. Know the thing, Miss Junie. Country be born and grown, man. Westmoreland country. Nice spot, listen. Nice spot. We cut him out for Mr. Mac? When you cut it for Mr. Mac, man? Let me help you. This one small, Mr. Mac. You want shrimp?
That's the small one.
You go in it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Alright. Okay, everything here. Oops. Alright. Same stuff. Greetings.
Yes, sir.
Salutation. Alright, guys. We're having jelly at Mr. Mac and Ms Junie. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the coconut tree. Coconut tree here. Loaded. Man, this place is fruitful. Look at that. Look at that. And it has bananas here and stuff. Lots and lots of banana. This look like honey banana, Mr. Mac. Honey. Nicest one, the man. It's sweet like sugar. Lakata. This one. This one. Oh, over there. Oh yes, Lakata. This, okay, cool. Yeah. Banana, guys. This is the life. Oh yes, man. Here it is. Lakatan. Mr. Mac, I noticed something else here, man. This look like cocoa beans. Cocoa beans.
Yes.
You know, I recently did a video on cocoa.
You know, a chocolate never get in it.
Eh, you do it? You make the chocolate too?
Yes, I make chocolate. All in the sweet, me know, a lot of chicken, I do that.
Oh, you make the chocolate? You sell in market too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so let's kill like that, man. That's nice, man. That's nice, man. That's nice. There's a Rasta man on the hill. Show me a little about it, you know. So these you have the cocoa tree here as well.
61 tree right there.
Okay.
Give me more yeah.
Cool. Ah, what the matter? Come get your matter. Get your matter.
Then you stick
Red.
around.
Yeah.
And the beef.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, man. That's the matter, the old time matter.
So we part to that now.
Yeah.
And rub them out and drop them in the matter.
Yes. Until you get the gummy, gooey.
Come right like a...
And then you just
like chocolate.
and then you just roll it and make it dry.
Yeah, they take the banana leaves now and squeal the banana leaves.
Yeah.
Roll them for tonight down.
Roll
Roll
it,
it,
yeah.
roll it,
Yeah.
roll it,
Did
roll
that.
it.
Nice, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Yeah.
So now, heading to the farm. All right, all right. So we're on the road, guys, to the farm, and man, lots of fruits and vegetables. This is the cocoa now again.
Chocolate.
Yes, original chocolate.
Yes. This is
Cocoa.
the green one. They
Yes.
call it otherwise cocoa.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, man, nice ripe one there. Good, good. All right, but guys, lots of greenery and fruits and vegetables. There's cane up there in the background there. That's pear. There's papaya here. Oh, the beautiful hibiscus here. All right. So I don't know wait one. That's apple. That's an apple tree here. This one, the team I live is just finished. Just finished apple. Yes, 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 yes. Lovely place, fruitful place. And pineapple here. Oh, passing pineapple on the roadside here. It's a young one here. All right, good. So people farm them place, Mr. Mack?
Yes.
Farm it up nice.
Yes.
Farm it up nice. Guava over here, guys. More banana. This look like a day. What do you call this? Ugly. This one there? Bullfrog banana. Who remember this? You remember that one, guys? This is the bullfrog banana. Yeah. I wonder why they call it bullfrog banana.
No, but it's too big. Big like
I hear that it's very nice.
It's very nice, you know.
Yeah, eat it nice. You never eat it. Okay, okay. People have them layers here. Them a layer fowl this now. Raising them layer fowl. Nice, man. Nice. Where's the jackfruit? Oh, jackfruit tree. Whoa. Jackfruit tree. We could do a tour totally and just the
Them the jackfruit now, you see like how them brown. Them fit, you know. Them now fit.
Oh, them fit.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right. And then somebody do them look at yam farming here. Mango here. Big mango tree. Mango tree like about 100 years old, man. Guava again. Guava on the roadside here. Yeah, guava. Yeah. All right. 100% organic. Very fruitful. Sea almond wild there. The dandelion that we call dandelion here.
Yes.
Yeah. Dandelion. Huh? Yes, pretty. Yes, man. Powerful medicine here. Dandelion. Apple again. So this stuff just grow wild here in this place. I almost can pick two of them up here, man. Yeah, man. And they look nice and clean and pretty. All right, so pick a couple of them, Mr. Mack. Somebody very nice.
Let me go over some man.
Juice. Oh, you have more over there? I don't have a trouble, man. We have more. We have more than enough. All right, no problem. See that guy. Lush, fruitful place here in the hills of Hampton, St. James. All right.
13.
All right. No, man, it's okay. It's all right, Mr. Mack. He's a part of the adventure, you know. Never see me yet. All right. Hold on. So what is this now, Mr. Mack? What are these?
Guinea chick.
Guinea chick. All right. Guinea chick. You have guinea chick in the country, yeah, man. So some them not wild though. Somebody have them in their house or something. Oh, so them just wander away for a little bit. All part of the adventure, guys. All part of the adventure. Guinea chick. More apple again. More apple. Star apple, guys. Star apple. What you know about star apple? Them say it's one of the meanest fruit. Some must can find you can find one here, man. Hold on, man. Me say the meanest fruit never drop. All when it ripe. This one look like it ready, Mr. Man. Oh, you know, the black skin this. Okay. It's not quite ready. All right. All right. Phoenicia laugh at me, guys. Phoenicia laugh. I thought it was a green skin. Sorry. Yes. Black skin. Starapple. Love it. One of my favorite fruit, man. Love it, man. Still on the journey, guys. We're still on the way to the farm. We're still reach the farm yet, but we're enjoying the tour. That is bamboo. Bamboo is another resource, I believe, has tremendous potential in Jamaica. Bamboo is all over Jamaica and growing wild, man. So this is your farm now, okay? And so all this apple tree is yours. All of this place here. Oh, all of this is yours. And I see, oh nice. I see a whole heap of store your water. So they use this water for Mr. Mack? Oh, for the farm. Okay. Yeah.
It just begin planting tomato.
Okay.
It just begin planting now tomato to keep the water, to keep them.
Yes.
To keep them growing.
Yes.
Start to plant them, so we just begin this farm.
So when you put the water there, so now I just
it soak
out everywhere.
Yeah, it just soak.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we're on Mr. Mack farm now officially, and this is some young tomato. Just transplant them apparently.
Yeah.
Tomato. All right. How long do these take to develop?
3 months.
Tomato. 3 months.
3 months.
3 months and it's ready.
Yeah, 3 months.
All right. So Mr. Mack is irrigating.
Yes.
Make sure the place has some water. Because it's dry time now, you say?
Yes, it can dry for you.
Okay. All right.
You can go down here. There
Okay.
are these gungo peas, but then reap off.
Gungo peas. Yes. Yes. Cassava, man. What you remember cassava, guys? Drop a comment down there. What you remember about the cassava? And the bami? This is the cassava. Cassava here. The cassava. Is it a special one? They have a white cassava. Have 2 different kinds, eh?
This one is white.
You have the bitter one.
The bitter one. This is the sweet one.
Sweet cassava. This is the sweet one.
But you can just put in a pot and eat.
I eat it just like yam.
The bitter one now you take like the bami.
Okay. You have to juice it out properly. Yeah, I don't notice you have some sorrel here too, man. Sorrel finish already. These are the leftover, the residue. Alright. Good, but you have a really good thing here, right? That's a blessing. And gungo peas, just finished the gungo peas season. Gungo peas season just finished, guys. Gungo peas. What do you say planting? Oh, but before you reach the plant, man, hold on, you have some more stuff here.
This is sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper, you just spray them.
Yes, and some red peas.
Red peas.
I just plant it to the color so then it don't look like.
Yes. Nice like a sweet pepper. Just spray them and stuff. Alright. And this is all planting here, so planting. Planting. Yeah. Oh, everything I see is planting here? Or some banana? They probably have about 100 so, what do you call it? Tree here? At least? Okay. And this is still hot pepper. Alright. Oh, lovely. Okay. Oh, you find one, Mr. Mack? Alright, guys. We're continuing the tour with Mr. Mack and his wife, Ms. Junie. The farm tour. Let me see. We'll find a planting now.
This one now is planting now and near fit.
This one fits?
Yeah.
You sure?
No, it don't fit directly, but
but it's
you
okay.
get a 3 weeks, 2 weeks time.
Couple weeks time and ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Ready.
Yeah.
Planting, man.
Yeah. So all this here is
Planting.
Yeah.
Nice fried.
Yes.
Or make your porridge.
Yes.
Planting porridge. Nice. Oh, look a bird. Look a bird that make a nest here, man, in the lime tree. Man. The bird like the farm here, man, so they make the house in here. I want trouble in this. Oh, yeah, pear too.
Yes.
Pear, man, pear. How should I the pear? Do you know, Mr. Mack?
This is a
Black skin pear. And it blossoming. Simmons. Alright, nice pear blossom here, guys. This looks like a plum tree.
Yeah, Yeah, but he dead.
Yeah, did the time.
He spring up and he dead.
Yes, yes. That's a cocoa here. No, Dasheen. Dasheen, baby Dasheen here. Plant here. This is June plum now. I'm sure it's June plum here. More banana. More banana here, guys. More banana. It's a cane here. Alright. Eggplant. Oh, the eggplant. Oh. We're going to go down there, man. Curious. We're going to check out the eggplant tree. Alright. So, Mac, find a cane. What kind of cane is this, Mr. Mac?
This is white ribbon.
White ribbon.
White ribbon.
White ribbon. Coconut plant. Coconut plant here. Nice little coconut there. Eggplant?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the eggplant?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's not quite ready yet.
Yeah, quite ready.
Okay. Last year, okay. Eggplant tree. Good. Which one? Coconut. What? Alright. Nice little coconut tree. It's low. Yes. Yeah, man. Yes, you have jelly ready. Oh, you said drink off some already? Oh, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. That's a blessing. Coconut tree, guys. This farm is so fruitful. More cane. This is rusty. Yeah, rusty. One. Mommy used to have one here, rusty iron, man. You don't have that. Well, this one. This is stripe. What do you call this one again? Red stripe. Yes. Sweet cane, that you know.
That one is the next one to this.
Okay, cool. Good. Banana, yeah, I'm on the shoot again. So tell me something, you guys, it's both of you who do most of the work on this, right? Only 12. So you man, how will it work this one?
The 12 work, man.
Eh?
The 12 no work.
And how will it work now? To maintain, to plant, to clean, to reap. Huh? And then to bring over the food when you're ready. Yeah, more, I see more cane here too. Cane all both.
All of them farm over here.
Whoa, gone all the way back over so.
All of them.
The river down there.
Oh, you have a river?
The river run between.
Oh, you have a river? Oh boy. Okay. Some really stout, strong looking banana here. Different type them, man. You call them? Huh? Ketchup ply?
Yeah, ketchup ply banana.
Okay. Oh, ketchup ply. And breadfruit? Breadfruit. You can't hungry, bread.
No, me can't hungry.
If you're hungry, man, if you're hungry, you're sin, man. You can't hungry. You have all the food you need to sustain you in these parts. As the cassava again. So the only thing you need is, you only need money for the stuff that you don't have.
Yes.
You know? Because you have your food already and your seasoning, I suppose. So just the other stuff that you might need, or you need some money for. But otherwise,
you're
good.
Right. Yeah. We're good, man.
It's a blessing.
It's a blessing.
So that's the farm.
Yes.
And the two of you say? Two of you alone. I see apple as well on the farm, apple tree. More apple. But you promise me you're going to get some apple, man. Alright, let's go get the apple. I want to trouble the breadfruit tree this time. I want to take apple tree. Alright, so while we're getting a good workout at the farm here, guys. I'm impressed with Ms Junie and Mr. Mack. Huge farm. Because as far as the eyes can see. Two of them alone run it, you know. Man. And they're carrying it, they're bringing us all around, all over. So let's show me.
When the apple is too far out now, Mr. Mack, take this.
The picker. Oh, I catch it in that.
Yes.
Skill. And you shake it and you drop it and you take it down.
Yes, and take it out.
Nice. You know, they don't mash up.
Then I'm okay.
Call it the picker.
Yes.
Good. Alright, so time to pick some apple. What? You have some already, man? Yeah. You pick it already from morning? Oh, nice. Nice, man. Nice. Guys, this is OT80 apple, Jamaican OT80 apple, the original Jamaican OT80 apple. See them pick and put on ready. Ready. This is how I like it, man.
Yeah.
Black, succulent. Wow. But Mr. Max still have more on the tree here. Oh. And a lot of them on the ground here. Lots of them wasted. Well, drop off a tree. Some gone back to Mother Earth. So we can't do nothing about that. But but you guys alone could manage it anyway.
No.
Could manage it. Impossible. It would be nice if we could find a way to, to take care, to use them up. Use them up. Share some ideas in the comment, guys. We'd love to hear from you. What do you think we can do to all these apples? Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this apple. All of them drop off a tree.
When in America, they pick America apple, me pick America, me pick apple in 2 states America.
Yeah.
Me pick in West Virginia, me pick in New Hampshire.
Yeah.
And all these apple with them,
Yeah.
you want to see, you have to take box and pick it up,
pick it up.
Man, and pick it up and then send it, go make slider.
Oh,
I think
okay.
they call slider.
Slider, like
Slider.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica here, we have so much.
In Jamaica, we have so much and we don't have no
We don't know use
We
it.
don't know use
Guys,
it.
we need some ideas, man. Come on, man. Share some comment. We need to do something, man, with all of this excess fruit that we have here. Yeah, man. You can look at another tree. I mean, I'm several £100, I'm sure. And this is just one tree here. That's a huge tree here.
And a 8 tree, could it?
8 tree you have here.
She one down there, so she one there.
Uh-huh.
She one there, one down there, so all both you see them. If you go under them, you see, if you go, if you go.
And this
And
is
so then drop,
them drop heavy.
Heavy.
And this is just apple we're talking about now.
just apple
I mean, you
we're
have
talking
several other fruits.
Yeah.
Man, jeez, whoa. Look at that, guys. Fruits. Pear.
And I want the local
Man,
market.
come on,
The
guys.
local
Come on,
market,
people. We
have to
need
pick
some
it.
ideas, man. We need to do something with our fruits. We have it abundant here. Most of it growing wild. This is the apple tree here. More apple on the tree here.
You know what I'm saying? This tree alone for right now, we get old and why it's easier to make it dry.
Yeah.
This tree.
Yeah.
And that tree down there, so no pick off it and you have to see how them beer till all the limb tear down.
And drop.
And drop. Go under it, you know, you have fly.
Oh, man.
Same way just there around.
Man, see apple here. All right. So, come on, friend. Come hold it. I'll pick apple. All right. Me have to do a demo, man. Me have to pick apple. Guys, me have to pick up. Me come a apple. Come a farm. Eh?
The whole of them.
The whole of them. Whoa.
Yeah, good on too.
Man, you have it here, man. We give thanks. But we really and truly, not in a real way, we need to find a way to use up our fruit and stuff. So I'm gonna pick apple, guys. I'm gonna show you, man. Show you. Good. So we have some nice fresh one here. All right. I'm picking you. You're not here, so I'm gonna pick it for you. Oh, I want to drop. All right, nice and fresh. I'll just rub it. 100% organic.
Yeah.
No pesticides, no fungicide, nothing. Nature, healthy. Jamaican OT80 apple. Go ahead and Google it, man. Jamaican OT80 apple, full of health benefits. Yeah, man. More apple, more OT80 apple, guys. Look at that. This is at, again, Mr. Mack and Ms Junie farm. They have all kind of stuff here. As I showed you earlier, banana, pepper. This look like corn. But this seems as if the season is up for that. Corn finish, yes, I figure. And lots of herbs, mango tree, more apple in the distance there. Trumpet leaf tree over there again, another powerful herb, a medicinal plant, you know. So much hot pepper, so much. Yeah, man, I think we'll cover that. But look at this, jeez, look at that. Not a flies here now because there's so much fruit that just wasted on the ground here. But the poor Ms Junie and Mr. Mack, they can't do anything about it. It's beyond them. They're doing their best. They can't manage so much, you know. It's a blessing. So what you doing now? Yeah, pick.
Pepper. You don't want pepper?
Yes, man, we give thanks, man. So this is a little patch again that kind of overgrown, but you still can find some fruit, some stuff in there. Ms. Junie, still a fine pepper. Alright. Wow. I see, and this is vervine. The vervine, guys. So those of you vervine here, growing. Totally wild, vervine, see? We call it blue vervine here. Look at that. Blue vervine. Is this Scotch bonnet pepper, Miss Man?
Yes.
Okay. All of them is the same type or a different type of?
This is a different Scotch bonnet from this.
Okay. Some hotter than some?
Yes, tree get when the tree young, big and round.
Okay.
So like how you see this steer?
Yes.
Big.
Yeah.
You have to use a sweet pepper.
Okay.
Wow,
it's a blessing. It's a blessing. So you get some food, or you get more kid?
I'm sure you're kidding.
Alright. Oh, this is jackfruit, man.
Yeah.
And it's a big tree, it's an older tree. So you get a lot of jackfruit off it already, man. But it's not ready yet, this isn't ready yet, right? Yeah, it look purple though, it look. You sure it's not ready? Okay. Jackfruit, guys, jackfruit. Everything is at this place here. Alright. Oh, remember this. Who remember this? The old duck and nest. Alright, yeah. If you think I was joking, guys, when I talk about how rich, fruitful this place is, look at this. This is another apple tree here. Look at that. Look at apples, man. Mr. Mack is living the life here, man. Poor Mr. Mack and his wife can't manage it, you know. He can't manage it. Look at that. Already. The apple season. And then, again, look under the tree. Look under the tree, guys. Man, what do you think we can do with these kind of stuff? Sure, comment, man. We need to find a way to use these things to do something. Look at apple. Drop and just. Oh, there goes another one. There goes another one. While we're talking. And then pretty. Look at that. This is a beauty. I don't know if you see the river there.
Yes, the river on the top.
Okay. Let's capture that.
All year carrying big river, you know. And the cow them take full up it all year.
Oh.
Big water, you know. Surround
Okay.
It's a pond like, you know.
Okay.
Pond like.
Yes. And then it run underground and going.
Yes, and the water we now run.
Oh.
Tap it.
Okay.
Right down in there now you sink, you know.
Yeah.
Up to fish inside there, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, fish inside there.
Oh, nice.
You know, so you run from all the way, come around.
Yes.
Come around.
Yes. You have a big property here, Mr. Man? You have a big property here, man. You know, you're going to have some people who watch your video they might be interested in come check you. Come on your farm, come walk on your farm. That good?
Yeah, you mean, man. What do you
We'll give them a little tour.
What do you expect there, man?
Alright, guys. Mr. Mack is...
You see when rain fall and things fruitful.
Yes.
Like see somebody come on my farm, man.
Yes.
Plant every little thing, you know.
Nice.
Now the reason why I not plant one big crop of one thing, the biggest crop of me plant is the cane and the banana.
Yes.
But me plant every little thing. For sometimes you're going to the local market and you're going to that no sell,
Yes.
you can't sell something, you can't sell a sweet pepper,
Yes.
you can't sell a Scotch bonnet,
Yes.
and you can't sell a banana.
Yes.
So you still make a money.
Yes.
But if you carry one thing and the one thing don't make anything, you're dumb to the day.
True.
But when you carry every little thing,
it must make
something must make something.
Same,
Anyway, going for the way.
Same, sir. Good. Yeah. That's it, guys. The farm tour with Mr. Mack and his wife. I came here, I didn't know what to expect. Man, but wasn't that beautiful? I enjoyed the entire experience. But what's your favorite part? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos. Capturing stuff like these, the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. The rain is coming, making it even more fun. Showers came and put a curtain on the tour. Beautiful. In the shelter, we're in the shelter. Yeah. You're not afraid of rain?
Alright.
Yeah, little more. And they can check you when you come out. Alright.
Alright, so we are back at the house, guys. And Mr. Mack have a nice. What that now, Mr. Mack?
This is a for you, sir.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
God, with the glory. Which kind of banana this?
Catch apply.
Lakatan?
Catch apply.
Catch a fly.
Yeah, catch apply.
Blessings, Anana, man. Blessings,
Nice,
Anana.
man.
Blessings, Anana. Guys, we're collecting on your behalf too. Me eat it on your behalf too. Alright, guys. So we have a little treat here from the McKenzies. We have callaloo from around the back here, right at the house back. And we have Scotch bonnet pepper, right, green and ripe. Look like we have at least 3 different varieties in here. We have sweet pepper, original Jamaican sweet pepper. We have 80 apple. Yeah, you saw that. We had a whole bunch, a whole bucket. Right? So we got 80 apple. Miss Mack is going to the market tomorrow. Right? We have green banana. And we have coconut. What a blessing, what a blessing. What a blessing.